Winter Wonderland of Wisconsin. And I just shoveled yesterday. And snowblowed. That little guy right there. But I don't think I'm going to probably going to use this today. Because it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot out here. So you're going to have to stay till the next snowstorm. But I do, however, I'm just going to shovel today. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the back. That's 4 driveways today. At least get them done and over with. I'm really ready for spring and car shows season. I'm ready to go to Foxview Lanes and Waukesha. Not all this. This is no good. Yeah, shoveling and snowblowing can make you the money, but you really can't go outside and enjoy a whole night out or a whole day out. Where springtime, car shows, summertime, more car shows, all night fun, cruise nights. And you gotta deal with this crap. And it's not that bad. It's not that cold out today. So that is good. Neighbor hasn't even shoveled his at all. Yesterday. Or today. That's all full of ice and ice mounds and stuff. Yeah. That one the shovel. This one the shovel. That one the shovel. And then one up in the back and way back over there. I hear someone shoveling down there. I hear a plow over and beyond over there. Tall tale sign right there. I should get onto this too then. Yep. So I'm gonna get onto this. Start snowblowing or start shoveling. Can't use a snowboard. It's not much out here. So like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and stay warm wherever you're at. Maybe at least you're in the warm 70 degrees or you're in the winter wonderland. Catch y'all later.